Good morning, student. Meet me again with teacher Putri Priska Dwiningrum. Okay, today our lesson is about globe. Okay, let's watch the presentation. Globe. With teacher Putri Priska Dwiningrum, SPD. Okay, before we start our study, let's sing a song about Earth or globe.
Three, two, one, lift off. The planet Earth is beautiful from outer space.
It looks just like a globe.
No duh.
A globe is a small copy of the planet Earth. Do you know the main parts? There is land on the surface of the globe. 7 sections of land on the globe. What are they called?
Those are the continents.
North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. There is a lot of water on the globe, covering 3/4 of the globe. What is it called?
It's the ocean.
The ocean is divided into the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Southern Oceans. There is a top point on the globe. There is a bottom point on the globe. What are they called?
The North and South poles.
The North Pole is in the Arctic Ocean, and the South Pole is on Antarctica. What is the line that circles the globe? An imaginary line that divides the globe. What is it called?
It's called the equator.
The equator lies halfway between the North and South Poles. Another line that circles the globe divides the east and west parts of the globe. What is it called?
That's the prime meridian.
The prime meridian is perpendicular to the equator and crosses through the North and South Poles. If you divide the globe into parts and can only see half of the globe, what is that called?
It's called a hemisphere.
Hemi is Greek for half, and a sphere is any round object, like a planet. Therefore, half planet. Earth is a tiny ball in space. It's the only place that we know as a human race. The Earth is a tiny ball in space. It's the only place. Yo, dude, what's this red button?
Don't push that.
My bad.
Stay tuned for next week's episode when we find out if planet Earth is accidentally destroyed by Teacher and the Rockbots.
Okay, that's all. Okay, let's start our lesson. What is a globe? A globe is a model of the Earth. Give an accurate picture of the Earth's surface. Shows the location of place on the smaller scale. Oke, globe adalah sebuah bola dunia. Is a model of the Earth. adalah model atau bentuk dari bumi. Give an accurate picture of the Earth's surface. Memberikan gambaran akurat tentang permukaan bumi. Show the location of place on the smaller scale. Memperlihatkan lokasi tempat dalam skala yang lebih kecil. Earth surface. 29% of the Earth's surface is land. Large land masses are called continents. 29% permukaan bumi adalah daratan. Massa tanah tersebut yang besar dinamakan benua. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Large water bodies are called ocean. 71% permukaan bumi ditutupi oleh air. Perairan besar ini disebut lautan. Oke. This is a globe. The blue one is water. And the green one is called land. Jadi permukaan bumi itu ada daratan dan lautan. Nah, yang warna biru menunjukkan laut dan yang berwarna hijau menunjukkan tanah. Okay. Part of globe. Latitude and longitude. Latitude is shown a globe as a horizontal line, and longitude is a vertical line seen on a globe or map. The long lines go top to bottom. Latitude adalah garis lintang, ditampilkan pada bola dunia sebagai garis horizontal atau garisnya melintang. Nah, yang kedua, longitude adalah garis bujur, garis vertikal yang terlihat pada bola dunia atau peta, garis panjang yang mengarah ke atas hingga ke bawah. Nah, oke, this is latitude atau garis lintang, and this is longitude atau garis bujur. Oke. Latitude and longitude work together on a map or globe to find exact location. Garis lintang atau dan garis bujur bekerja sama di peta atau bola dunia untuk menemukan lokasi yang tepat. North Pole and South Pole. The North Pole is at the top of the world. The South Pole is at the bottom of the world. Kutub utara berada di puncak dunia. Nah, ini North Pole atau kutub utara berada di paling atas dunia atau di atas bumi. Nah, ini disebut kutub utara. Oke, the second one is the South Pole is at the bottom of the world. Nah, kamu bisa lihat di sini South Pole. South Pole ini adalah kutub selatan. Kutub selatan berada di bagian bawah dunia. Ini ya, Nak ya. Oke. Both are very cold, icy place. Nah, kedua tempat ini, North Pole and South Pole, adalah tempat yang sangat dingin di dunia. Oke, rotation. The Earth spins on in axis from west to east, causing day and night. Jadi, bumi itu berputar. Bumi berputar pada porosnya dari barat ke timur. Nah, perputaran bumi ini yang menyebabkan terjadinya siang dan malam. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget, please take care of your health. See you and bye.